man. I'll be right with you.
It's a real tough rounds, but they're dying to get into this.
We had some 70 tickets contributed to the J Block. The group of fans from Connecticut that have made their way to support James over the years. James growing up, spending most of his childhood.
Hi! What's up now? How are you doing? Oh, okay. Well, I'm at the restaurant. Let me call you back, eh? Okay, bye. Yeah.
Okay.
Werey. Yes, sir.
Excuse me. In the video, what? The container. Okay, talk to my secretary, please. Okay? Alright, bye bye.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
What would you like, sir?
I want this here.
With the good.
Correct evil man. I have to get this here and this thing.
Is that?
Hold on. Hello. Hold on. Hello. Chinedu, hold on. Baby. Okay, it is over there. Yes. Okay, I will meet you. 5 minutes. Okay. Yeah, Chinedu, what are you saying? Yes. You know. So we have to. But anyways, I'll talk to you later. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Are you ready to make the order?
Wait. What's this? I think I did this. Kafaya called me. I don't want to talk about it. Yeah, okay.
What would you like again?
It's here. It's here.
Yeah, pepper soup. Pepper soup?
Okay. I want the good.
With the goat meat.
Yes, goat meat. You say that one you said before. You say appetize or something.
Appetizer.
Okay. I know I have business, but I don't want to advertise. You understand? So leave advertising. This year will put egg. I will do that one.
So pepper soup.
How much?
$15.
$15.
Yes.
Yeah, bring it. I have money. Bring it.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you.
Yes, sir.
Oh, yes.
Pepper soup.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Bullshit. I have to come out.
Hello.
Hi.
You look familiar. Have I seen you before?
What did you say?
You look familiar. Have I seen you before?
Oh, familiar. I don't think so.
Chief. Wait. It is you. I've seen you before.
Yes, I am Chief.
Hey.
Chief.
You drive a Lamborghini.
No.
Oh, yeah, Mama.
You don't know me. I'm sorry.
But can I get some news?
What? What did you say?
Can I get some news?
Why not? Yes. Come on, go and sit down.
You're not waiting for anybody else?
No. This is America. Everybody has been waiting for me, Chief. For the hour, you have to wait. This time that we are here right now, I have to sit down. Wait.
Mojy.
Chief George, Ojikalu. It's my pleasure. Ojikalu. What a fool of I am. Of the old amount we cheap land. Baby, this is money. You know what I'm saying? Yes.
You have plenty time to
Yes. Including CNN too. Yes.
Oh, you're finished. You have to order another one.
Oh, yeah. Hey. Bye, man. Yeah, so you say your name is somebody.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Another one? Yes.
Are you?
Yes. What do you want to?
Oh, can I get a glass of water and pepper? For now.
That's the one, yeah.
And can I get meat pie too? Okay.
Oh, you have pop-up too?
Yeah, for
Oh, I thought you guys don't have pop-up.
That's
Oh, yeah.
appetizer, actually.
Oh, no, baby, I did not know they have pop-up. I thought they did not have.
Oh.
Okay, yes, pop-up. Yes.
Meat
pop-up.
pie? Okay. And
You have meat pie too?
Yeah, meat pie.
Yes, meat pie. Okay. Thank you. Yes. Baby, anything you want, take it.
okay, thank you.
So I am rich.
I see that.
Yes.
That big, gold, blackberry, saffron, yeah.
Businessman now, you know how it is. It isn't easy. They
You
have
don't
to
have
come.
more?
Yes, sir. Here you go, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes.
No. This. Okay. Yes. Thank you. Very much. I want to open this. I'll be back to services. Yes.
So you think I was American in my accent, eh?
I was thinking, no, man.
Oh, thank you.
Yes. Anything she wants, give it to her. Oh, okay. Thank you.
Thank you. I'm calling
No.
you back.
Alright.
Oh, okay, yes. Anything she wants.
Alright,
Yes.
Can I put on? Give my tongue. Yeah.
No, this is
The tissue.
toilet roll.
Let me get it.
Oh, you want it? Toilet roll. Yes. Well, you are beautiful.
Yeah, thank you, Chief.
Yes. Yeah, enjoy it.
This is good.
It's real good to Igbo people, that's what we eat. Yes, no.
I don't know.
Good head. You know what good head is? Good head.
Any kind of head, I will eat. I don't know.
Head. Okay.
This one is good.
Hey.
A very kind man, oh.
Oh yes, chef, yes.
You're kind, yeah?
You too, you have blackberry. Me too now, I have blackberry. No, baby, hold on, please. Yes, Ikejuku. And now, yes. The container. When? Tomorrow? Yes, tomorrow, yes. Yeah, as soon as it arrives, call me, eh? If you can't get me, you call my PA. Okay, alright.
Roxy? Roxy! Oh my God, baby! Roxy! You look so good! Oh my God! Are you here waiting for me? Excuse me. You see that? That's my girl, Roxy.
Roxy?
Roxy, nice to meet you.
Oh, Roxy.
Oh, you should try that. Do you mind?
No. Roxy.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
I just